What's up, my detailing family? We're here at the Hunters Detailing headquarters, and we have some detailers that came in up and coming out in my area. They came through to show some love. They said they've been watching your boys' videos. Appreciate y'all support. They had some questions, and they also wanted to, introduce their new business coming in the Sacramento area. Y'all stay tuned. They coming with some heat, man.
Yeah, it's called the Three Brothers Details. It's me, him right here, Sergio, and our other friend.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We came to check out his store, and we got like a couple questions for him because we're new to the business. So, yeah.
For sure. All right. So, how long have you guys been wanting to start a detailing business, and what made you guys want to start one out of all things you could have done? Really?
Like, I've been wanting to start a business with the homies for like past year.
Got you. Why detailing though?
Because I really like cars. I got a passion for cars.
For sure. Okay.
It was either detailing or rapping. But before a rap, you kind of need a detail a car. So
that's why you was over here like.
Yeah.
I noticed that
we're trying to get like detailing down first, and then possibly move on to rapping and window tints. Just a little bit of everything of just automotive stuff.
Okay. Hey, give my man Ace Car Raps a little camera time, man. I'm charging you. Ace Car Raps, Sacramento, California. Y'all make sure y'all tune in with my brother.
Yeah.
He out here getting it in.
What made you start this business?
Sheesh,
like, to be honest, your videos inspired us,
Right.
So.
Dang. Well, I hopped out of vending, and I just had a van sitting around that I was still making payments on. And I remembered that some guy was hitting me in my inbox that was also doing detailing, and I was doing vending, and he kept asking me like, hey, I want to do vending. I have questions for you.
Yeah.
And then once I got out of vending and I started selling stuff, I'm like, bro, what am I going to do with this van I'm still making payments on? And then I just kept watching his Instagram. And I'm like, bro, that looked kind of fun.
Detailing
and I said, forget it. I'm going for it. Like, I really had no bro. I mean, I like cars and stuff, but it was like no passion or nothing for it. I was just like, I got to do something. I got to provide for my family. So I was like, I just went out. I FaceTimed the dude that I just met.
Yeah.
And bam, walked into Home Depot and just literally, I got my first video just grabbing stuff, throwing it in the van, and just jumped out there, bro.
Yeah, hell yeah.
And got everything, my website, everything, because I was like, man, if God is for me, who could be against me? I'm like, God is backing me up. He's blessing this. I'm gonna be a blessing. I'm gonna be blessed to be a blessing. That was my, my main objective. So how could I fail? I went in. Yeah. So that's how I got started. And then as I was doing it, I grew a liking more and more to it after seeing the customers' reactions, bro. I'm like, whoa, like.
And your results too, huh? Like
Bro, I've had people grab me and hug me. And people like, bro, they in there cry like, oh my gosh, like, I'm like, bro, people really love this. Like, then I realized that I was charging too little, and people start giving me an extra $150. And that's when I was like, hold on, $35, $50? Hold on, that ain't cutting it, they paying it.
Yep.
And then that's when,
it
was up from there, really.
Yeah, that's kind of how we're starting too. Like, we just kind of just said, let's
just go in.
Just go in.
Hey, with y'all being 3 people, that's definitely different.
Yeah.
I've never seen that one before. But y'all just make sure y'all don't let money divide y'all. That's a tough one. So y'all stay grounded in that aspect.
What's like the downside that you go to?
The downside? Lack of sleep. Lack of time with your family. Not as much chill time.
But would you say is better than working for somebody else?
Well, if you don't have a vision, if you're just working just to show off, and then like it's like in vain. Like if you ain't got that vision and that goal of what you're headed for, then you're not, like, it's pointless. Like a lot of people out here, young people, no disrespect, they just working just to say I got money and I got a business. You ain't really got no vision. That's in vain. You know what I'm saying? But if you like, man, I'm trying to set myself up for my future family, to be a blessing, to get my mom at it, like, you got an objective, I'm trying to build something so people can come in and have opportunities. You know what I mean? That's what I want. I want to create opportunities for people,
Get jobs out to the younger people and all that.
Exactly, and help them get started with their business. And it ain't even it don't have to be detailing.
Yeah, that's why we got a vision too. Like, we're trying to do the detailing and then grow out to like rapping.
Exactly. It's so many different avenues.
And then just also do like little automotive stuff.
Car wrap, window tinting, windshield crack, What else we got? Repairs for damage,
Yeah,
dings, so many different things, bro.
Like, he
It's
got
unlimited.
cars, we do too.
Yeah,
So it's just, I feel like it's there. We just gotta put in the work.
for sure.
Hey Wayne, so you've had employees.
Mhm.
Have you ever had partners before?
I attempted to have a partner, but that never fell through.
All right.
Because, go ahead.
Do you think they know how they're gonna split the profit and the investment? You know?
Yeah. Oh
we're
my
getting real, bro,
God.
we're getting real.
Yeah,
It's
for
never it and let me not say never. It hasn't worked yet. I brought people on and I
Yeah.
pretty much threw it at them like, hey,
like a handout,
bro, like, hey, jump in with me. I need help. I ain't requiring nothing of you, and it's just never worked, bro. When it came to the money, it's just always ends up being a problem most of the time, and them not wanting to put in the same work. Like y'all gotta, let's say you put in overtime. Like I'm staying, I'm polishing this.
Yeah.
Then this person's like, man, I'll be there at 3 p.m. And then he's like, I could be there Tuesday. That's a conflict.
Yeah,
so
that's
if they ain't all in the
On the
same
same
vision, the same pay, somebody gonna be dropping out.
Yeah, that's
So
how.
that's something y'all want to talk about right now.
So
bro.
what do you guys do, day job wise or income wise?
We used to work in construction.
Yeah, He used to
You work in construction right now?
Yeah. Right now I quit. We're trying to focus on this.
Mhm.
Trying to get, our own little business. Trying to,
Got it. So you put construction, jumping all in.
yeah.
Damn, that's what's up. How about you, man? How about you?
I used to work at a car dealer.
Yeah, and then
Okay.
Same thing.
you quit.
Yeah.
Start this.
To branch off to my own
And
thing.
what about your third partner who's not here right now?
He'll do a solar panel, so construction too. But we'll just, try to make extra money on the side, like buying, reselling cars, anything
sure.
we can,
That's
Yeah,
what's
where
up.
you guys at in your business right now?
It's the next
Honestly, we're
move.
just starting,
if we're
but
being honest, we're just starting.
What's starting mean?
Yeah, what y'all got? Like,
like, literally yesterday we just got the equipment, like the
Yeah.
pressure washer.
Literally,
We picked it
yesterday
up.
we came back.
We
Last
went
night
for like
from
an 8-hour
India.
drive.
Yeah.
where y'all pick it up from?
Indio, California.
Why'd y'all feel like y'all had to go out to get the pressure washer way out there?
It had like a good deal.
It's a good deal. It was
And then
like
we
a
just-
package deal, so we couldn't pass it up.
Oh, y'all not playing.
And then we were just like, fuck it, like, if
Yeah.
we're gonna do it, we're gonna have to like,
All in.
What are you guys rocking for transportation?
Oh,
That's another thing we're working on.
trying to
But for now,
a van up.
my mom has a truck, so
Yeah.
I can use my mom's truck for now.
got
And
you.
then our third partner, his mom as well has a truck,
So
Wait.
we're trying to get our own little van too.
How do you feel about that? Detailers starting out with what they can. Should they jump into a van right away or work their way up? What would you say?
Well, me personally, see, you talking about me. I'm an all-in person. So if you guys are really serious about it, I would say jump into a van. But I don't know how you guys' relationship is though.
Yeah, we've been knowing each other all of us have been knowing each other for a minute.
Got
I
you.
think we're all on the same page.
Got you. Well, business can ruin relationships.
Yeah.
For one. I'm just being real, bro.
No, you're not.
Y'all be real close, and then all of a sudden, like, you know what I mean? But if y'all really solid, then I would say go in if you guys really believe that y'all can work together, because this gonna get y'all in the most heated situations out there in that heat. Money's involved. This person couldn't come up with this half, so you covering. Like, if you guys built on that, if y'all respect each other like that, then I would say go in and get the van, and then y'all start branching out. Y'all get an extra person.
Get our own little employee. Get 2 vans.
Right, y'all could do a whole lot. I wish I had a solid team.
Yeah.
I'd rather have a partner that would invest half with me than to be doing this.
Alone.
You know what I mean? I got my wife, of course.
Oh, yeah,
But I mean, I'm talking about somebody that's in it, like detailing and making
On the
investments.
same page with you.
Exactly. But that's just not, I don't think God meant for it to be like that with me. Because every time I try, bro, it's a no-go. He's like, I need you to trust in me. I got you. You're going to be the one that, just be a blessing to other people, I guess, sir. Because maybe I might rely on that person too much and not rely on God,
Yeah, that's true.
So I think that's what it is, really. So, yeah. I want to know the next move, the next purchase, like what y'all looking for next.
To buy,
Yeah, like what's the next?
it would probably be a
We need
a
that.
van and an extractor vacuum.
Yeah, we're probably gonna get
Extractor?
that tomorrow. Yeah, because we need that for the.
Why don't you guys start off with the Bissell?
This one?
The Bissell, you can go to Best Buy.
Or
They got them there.
Yeah.
A little smaller one.
The smaller one. That's what I started with. I mean, it's all in the chemicals, bro.
Yeah.
If you got the right chemicals, it don't matter what you use. It's gonna peel it right up. And you got the drill and just extract it up. Only thing is the suction's not as strong and it ain't got that heat blowing at it.
Yeah, it's not as quick either.
Exactly. So you're gonna maybe have to do more passes, but you're gonna be able to get the job done just as good, you know?
Sure.
So, yeah. All right, that's a wrap, you guys. You guys got any advice for my brothers here, new and upcoming in the game? Drop it down in the comments down below. Y'all stay tuned for them. Oh, y'all got an Instagram?
3 Brothers Details. Just support us, shout us out. Any help, help.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Check it out in the comments down below. Flood them, follow them, show them some love, you guys. They came through to 3306 Orange Grove Avenue in North Highlands, California. Y'all make sure y'all come through to show some love. And also, July 9th, right around the corner. Oh, you ain't even gonna drop this. Hey, when y'all watching this, y'all already missed out, man. Hopefully y'all come through.
You gonna be there?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. Let's go.